We are in receipt of delivery beds. We are in receipt of wheelchairs. We are in receipt of crutches
and
resting beds for our district from UBUNTU. Bahweriire United Association, we thank you very much. On behalf of the district, we have received them. They are in good condition.
So nejejwe no kubona bitanda bine yo kubyariraho nengwa delivery beds kandi bino by'umuntu aruhukiraho barimo kumuvura bine batubwiye yuko baduhaye n'ubugare bwo gutsindika abarwayi badashoboye kugenda bava hamwe baje handi ndetse n'inkoni z'abagenda bacumbagira bakiri ku buvuzi mu rwari
ngara DC ndabasima na chairman 5 na wetu bamusima na kawe tugakora nka group kandi habariye y'ibindi bintu kusindikire zo kubigaba tuzinesho ngamusi.
There is a big need. You've seen one of the ladies, they are just carrying her because they don't have any wheelchair. So if they had one, it would make life easy. So the need is big. When you enter inside, there is no privacy. So meaning they also need of separators, screens. There is a need. I want to encourage each and everyone that's here. Together we can make an impact. Together we can make people happy. Together we can solve a problem.
Kabansaba bafumbira n'abafumbira kazi n'abandi batwigeta baje mu buntu tugeze mu gihumbi no kurenga kandi twiteguye kugumizamo no kubafasha.